What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to edit your videos with Codex. It's a competitor of Cloud Code, and it's way better when it comes to doing stuff like this. But here I'm going to show you how to programmatically edit your videos. So let me show you an output. Let me play a few seconds of this particular clip that I'm running. Then I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. So it's a random clip that I took from one of my coaching sessions. Let's play it. If the ad spent 12,000 rupees and the customer paid you 80,000 rupees, that ad is almost 7x or 7.5x ish profitable.
Where I get the great ads.
So obviously we did this, but in the meantime, it has like edited this ad. It has like the whole, motion graphics going on in the background. So it's pretty cool, right? Now to use this, we use Codex. Okay, go to this particular website called chatgpt.com/codex, and you can download it for Mac or your whatever OS you have. And then we need the ReMotion. You don't have to download anything for ReMotion here. Okay, so once you download this, you can open up Codex, and this is how it normally looks like. On the left, there is something called as plugins, and there are a lot of plugins that it comes with. Okay, and one of the plugins is called ReMotion. Okay, so I have installed it already. So it would like ask you to install. Let me just remove and install it again. Just search for ReMotion, click on this plus button and install. That is it. That's all you have to do. Okay, now what you need to do is, I would highly recommend create a new project always. So I mean, I've already created a project, but you can create another new project and just add like a it will create a new project. You can click on add new project, and here you can go to desktop or any other folder and just create a new folder. I'll just say YouTube video demo and just create it. So all the work that you need to do will be done inside this folder, and this is where we'll start working. Okay, but this is where the tech part ends, but the strategic part starts. You now need to figure out what kind of editing style you would want for yourself. Okay, for example, I'm gonna play a video. Let me see which is big, bro. You can run ad. We had 5 different videos. You cannot run a business. Okay, let's say this one. You can run ads for 2,000 rupees a day, and this is a nice 44-second ad. But now, this looks very blank, right? Bland sort of thing. Now I definitely want to edit it, but I need to have a reference point. How will this thing look like when I have edited it fully, right? So obviously just drag and drop that video clip that you want to edit. Okay, but now you need to like go ahead and search for sort of a video as a reference point. Okay, so let's say we go for Alex Hormozi, and here you need to do a little bit of research of what kind of videos you want. So let's say go to shorts. Okay, I don't think he has any videos which are like short from, okay, something like this.
If you have the opportunity to shoot medium or shoot big, it usually...
Okay, he doesn't have a lot of infographics going on. It's just a subtitle. I have a couple of friends who do this. I came across a couple of I think here we do a little bit of research to find some good videos that you can replicate. Okay. Okay, let me just do some research and come back. Okay, I think I like this one, so let me just play this.
Animation, map effects, or complex motion.
Okay, I like this.
Video editor.
Okay.
Need chart.
So here obviously it looks nice.
Never make this expensive mistake when
electric companies don't want you to.
Never make this.
Video editors need chart and.
I think this is good. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this particular frame where we have the animation on the top. And I'm going to go to normal ChatGPT. I'm going to upload this and say, I like this video. So there you go. So I did this prompt and I'm going to put this in the chat maybe. The prompt says, I like this video. The first image is still from another video, 9:16, and the second image is still from my video. So what I'll do now is I'm going to take a screenshot of this particular video. Okay. And I want to turn my video to look like that. I'm using a video to video AI model which can add motion graphics to my video and chop it to remove silences, add subtitles, etc. It's not exactly video to video AI model. I'm using, we can say, Codex with ReMotion to edit my video, which can add motion graphics to my videos, chop it, remove silences, add subtitles. I want you to give me a prompt to give this to Codex with specific, I would say, very specific instructions. Timestamp by timestamp. Although it doesn't have timestamp, so very specific instructions on how the final output video is going to look like. And now what I'll do is I'll put my brand colors and I can give it to this thing as a reference. So I'll take a screenshot of my Instagram and I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Basically, I wanted talking head in the bottom, motion graphic in the top, and I want you to use a bright yellow color, whatever color. I mean, it'll pick the color from here, which should be bright yellow color for subtitle, which should come in the center. It must be premium looking. I also added my profile as a reference for my brand color. Use Playfair display as font for subtitle. Okay. So this is the whole prompt. I'm going to use this and I'll hit enter. Now what ChatGPT will do is it will go through the whole thing. It will give me the exact thing. See? There you go. Color palette, blah, blah. All right. So it has done it. So what I'll do is I'll copy this whole thing. Okay. And I'll go to Codex. Okay. Now here I'll say create a premium, I pasted the prompt. So here I'll say create a premium vertical short form video with type @ and write ReMotion or select ReMotion in 9:16 format inspired by modern format. Okay. Important, make sure that the motion graphic content matches the text that is being said during that time in the video. Add. So it's a, let me see how long is this video. You can run at 44 seconds. So 44 seconds, I want like add smooth transitions between motion graphics and make them super fast, as if what's a super fast? I want one motion graphic composition for every 4 seconds. So every 4 seconds, if things keep changing, it will be interesting, right? Now what I'll do is, here I have kept it like full access, and here I would say intelligence wise I have kept it high, and I can keep extra high as well, but it becomes slow. So what I'll do is I'll hit enter and I'll let the AI take over from here. Now literally this is it. I'll not have to do anything. Okay. I'll come back and I'm going to show you what's the outcome. If there are any changes, I'll tell you what changes were being made, but I'll just come back and I'm going to show you the output. All right, so let's see. Okay, so our video is ready. It took me a long time, maybe because of the extra high intelligence. If you just bring it down to low or medium, I think it should be fine. I did the medium one last night. It was super easy. So let's play this. You can run ads for 2,000 rupees a day and still have 10 creatives tested.
But I don't have knowledge to.
Yeah, I think I know the feedback. It is using the same aspect ratio, 16:9. I'll be like, okay, just zoom into the picture, make sure that you get the point. You can give a prompt and it can edit it. Let's play the rest of the video.
There is.
Can I give an advice? Even
Yeah, sure.
Alex doesn't know.
Sure.
That's the reason he has 602 ads. But the benefit of this is you don't have to spend that much money. See, you can run ads for 2,000 rupees a day and still have 10 creatives tested. That's the beauty. I can just stop the creatives that are not performing or giving low quality leads and keep the creatives that are performing. Eventually, out of 10, you'll find 2 creatives which are great. Then you launch another campaign, another ad set with 10 more creatives and test again. So this part is called testing and it never stops. Crazy. I love this. Kitna badhiya hai. All right. So, it's not the best, it's not perfect, but see, like a lot of the work got done, right? So, I think it's going to save a lot of video editors a lot of time, and I think it's one of the game changer tools. Okay. Let me know what you think, and if you want more such videos, do comment what exactly do you want to learn, and do subscribe to this channel for more search tutorials. Thank you very much.